My friend just made her first 10K on her first $100 investment. My name is Prabjot and my mission in 2021 is to help 1000 people to start investing. So turn on the notification not to miss the video. Business, sky is unlimited. But one thing that stands out is doing voiceover for the audiobooks. All you need is a proper microphone. Blue Yeti microphone is something I have personally used. It is great value for $100. Then there are the websites where authors are looking for the voiceover artist. Now more and more people are switching to the audiobooks because people have less time to read the book, so they like to listen the books while exercising, commuting, eating. Though everything comes with the consistency, they start expecting the result right out the bat. But give it some time. But those who are scared to let their voice to be heard, the next way might be your way to go to invest $100. Buying and selling. For example, drop shipping. Let's say you buy a phone case from Alibaba. A lot of people get it wrong, but don't be one of those cheesy China suppliers who don't check their quality of their product. But instead, I would like to suggest a plan. Let's say you buy a phone case from Alibaba for just 10 cents. Go on to the TikTok, Instagram and find the Instagram trending pages to find the relevant meme and find an artist on Upwork or Fiverr who can create a design for just $20. Send your idea to designer and turn that meme into the phone case that a potential customer on Amazon will buy for $15. I recommend you not to set your price very high. So let's say you sell 100 phone case in the first month, then you will make already $1,500 in a 1 month, and that is also without a much work. The next way to invest $100 requires even less work. Digital currencies like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum. A little story everybody knows about it is that back in March 2021, the Bitcoin was $7,000, but look it at now. It is over $75,000. Isn't that amazing? So what if you were able to invest and make 1000% profit? Well, you can do it right now because there are many big companies like Apple who are ready to adopt the Bitcoin and make it a world payment system. So in the future, it will be worth of $700,000. I understand that you might be scared to lose your money because it is very difficult to have a control over the cryptocurrency. That's why in the next point, I would like to cover the safest way to invest the $100. Fractional shares. Imagine you enter a beautiful bakery and you see so many cakes and you want to try them all out, but you don't have money to buy all the cakes. Instead, you can take the slice of all the cakes and try them out to be on the safe side. The same goes for these fractional shares. You might have heard the names of index funds or ETFs. They are just like the slice of individual shares. For example, the shares of companies like Tesla, Apple are very expensive to buy. Then ETF and index fund will help you to invest $100 in which you can buy all these big companies with a low risk. For example, you can buy with $100 10 different companies instead of just buying one share of $100. Stocks. Unlike the prior point, if you choose to buy the individual stocks, you can make much more money. But all you need is to put more effort and be bold enough to take the risk. This is how my friend just made 10K on her $100 investment. So how you choose your stock to make a profit? First and foremost is knowing what is the company about and what is their ticker name. So if you were have to consultation with me, I would like you to ask the first question is in which company you are interested in. I can walk you through the whole list of different companies to invest the $100. In the next video, I want to help the 1000 people to start investing in 2021. So turn on the notification.